Well, welcome back. I'm Byron. Today I'm making real Jamaican rum punch. I'm using a simple formula. This is one I learned around 60 years ago in Jamaica from my cousin's husband. His name is Mr. Martin. That was in Kingston, Jamaica. I've made this many times for my Canadian friends over the years and they've all loved it. So I'm going to show you how to make it now. So here's how I learned the formula. 1 is sour, 2 is sweet, 3 is strong, 4 are weak. And here's what that means. 1 part of lime juice, 2 parts of strawberry syrup, 3 parts of rum, and 4 parts of pineapple juice. I want to highlight two of the ingredients though. The strawberry syrup typically comes from Jamaica. It's Grace strawberry syrup. Comes from Jamaica, you can get it in the supermarket. And then the Wray and Nephew overproof white rum, you have to use this one or it's definitely not going to be the same. Okay, so here's how you mix it all up. The first thing we got to do is make sure we get these limes all juiced. And what you should do to make it easy is to kind of rub them up like that so they get kind of soft. Cut them. And I've done most of them already. And I just want a cup. And I've almost got a cup full, but this is what you do. You just simply get the juice out like this. You can see the juice coming out. It smells really nice if you like lime juice, and it's great. And then just take the rest of it out like that. That's it. All right? So we've got enough here because I only want 1 cup. And here's the next step. I'm just using a cup. And so here's what you need to do. 1 cup of this. It could be anything you're using. You could use some kind of glass or 2 cups or half a cup. So I've got 1 cup of sour. We're going to have 2 cups of sweet. 1. 2 sweet. Then we need 3 cups of rum. 3 is strong. Sorry, this takes a while. 1. 2. 3 of strong. And now we put in 4 of weak. Make sure you shake that up. Already done that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, you can really smell that. It's really nice. And that's what it looks like. And the smell is unbelievable. So that's it. We're going to come back and show you how to bottle it and how to drink it. Okay, so now we've got 10 cups of rum punch. They're ready to go, ready to drink, and what we're going to do is just bottle them. What I have here, I've got a couple of nice bottles. This was a champagne bottle. So usually if you get a nice bottle of champagne or something, like keep the bottle. You can use it for rum punch. This was a bottle that was a gin bottle. And once you bottle it, you put it away in the fridge. You can keep it for over a year. It just gets better and better and better. Or you can take it to a party. You can give it as a gift. So there's lots of ways to use up all this beautiful rum punch. So I'm going to show you how to bottle it. Just need a funnel. And just go ahead and pour it in that bottle. You should really smell this. It's absolutely lovely. All right, there you go. Okay, so it's all bottled. As you can see, we've got 3 bottles from our 10 cups of rum punch. And now I want to show you how you serve it. So to serve the actual just the rum punch alone, you should take a glass, fill it all the way up with ice. Do not pour the rum punch and then add ice. you want to fill up with ice and then pour the rum punch because it's very strong. There you go. That's there. And just garnish it there with a nice piece of lime. Now, that's a pretty strong drink. So, if you don't want to get it that strong, my camera lady wants it not as strong. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give her what's called a planter's punch. Again, this is a Jamaican thing, planter's punch. Now, same thing, glass full with ice, and just only half of the rum punch. There, stop it there. And then the rest of it should be with orange juice. Look at that beautiful color. That's a planter's punch. And then just give it a little stir. Look at that beautiful color. I'm going to taste it too. Oh my God, I'm in Jamaica. Ah. In Jamaica. Don't forget to garnish it. See, you've got this lime in it, there's orange in it, orange juice, and there's a pineapple juice. Here we go. That's how you serve it. Beautiful. The taste is nice, and you can really smell it. So enjoy. I'm sure your friends, whenever you give this to them, they're just going to love it. Thank you for watching.